Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the LCD cover on your HP Envy 13bd0003ns. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth for any internal cleaning. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, place your laptop on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. A clean interior can help improve the performance of your device. Now locate the LCD cover. You will need to disconnect the display cable carefully. This is usually secured with a small adhesive, so gently lift it using the spudger. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation. Once the display cable is disconnected, you can remove the old LCD cover. This may involve unscrewing additional screws that hold the cover in place. Keep track of these screws, as you will need them for the new cover. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it fits snugly and there are no gaps. Reconnect the display cable, ensuring it is firmly attached. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, power on your laptop to check if the new LCD cover is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you with any technical difficulties you may face. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your HP Envy 13bd0003ns. Enjoy your refreshed laptop. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.